friends, hi and hello. Welcome back to my television show. No introduction needed. It's obvious. It's in the title. You can read, can't you? I think I know what I'm doing. I usually cut my hair, sometimes. I think I know what I want to do. Normally, I have swine flu. I have side-swept bangs and will usually look like I crawled out of a 2000s emo phase. I really enjoy having my hair that way. You know what? It's been getting more and more difficult for me for some reason to style it. I don't know what's going on. My hair, why it's always so difficult for me to do what it is that I want to do, but I'm just going to, I'm gonna it today. Oh, hey, hi, hello. So I've had my bangs straight across before. They're not technically just going to be, straight across. It's gonna look good, all right? I think that I can do it. I always get nervous cutting my hair, but I have some pretty good confidence that I can do it, I'll be doing sort of like an arched bang. I want them to kind of like, come down. Yeah, you get it. You know what's good. Let's do it. But before we get started, we are going to take a quick poll. This involves you. Please interact. If you think I'm going to do a good job today, you're going to subscribe to the channel, alright? Deal. If you think I'm going to do a bad job today, you're going to like this video, alright? Deal. Also comment down below, right this second, right this minute, stop what you're doing and tell me what you think if you're going to do a good job. Okay? Let's go. Okay, I have some tools, my hair tie, my scissoриnos. Let's put this hair back. Number 4 from the Codename Kids Next Door. Berries and cream, berries and cream. I'm a little ladder likes berries and cream. Okay, I've got a little bottle of water. I use this when I cut my boyfriend's hair. I want it to kind of go up and around, I think. That's what I want it to be. Okay, so I watched a YouTube video, and I think what I need to do is take these and go like this. Yeah. How's this looking? Ooh. And then what I think I need to do, why is my part up here not like, is this even? Do I care? Should I care? How important is, something doesn't seem, something's different over here. Hold on. I need a hair clip. Okay, this is just so I don't lose my place for a minute. Section. And then I'm gonna take this one and we go back. Okay, and now we look this way. Beautiful. I'm ready to hit the streets. Yeah. Oh wow, it just started raining hard as hell. I'm gonna brush this out. This is my middle section. Are you ready? We're gonna do it now. I'm gonna cut. Wait. I am going to do the hair now. Okay, why does this still not look straight though? Oh. Why do I look like that? More than a woman. More than a woman to me. Do-do-do-do-do. More than a woman. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna go too short just yet. I'm trying to see something now. We're just hanging out. You're just hanging out, enjoying the vibe, okay? Just pretend that we are two people in real life hanging out in the same room at the same time. This is what that would be like. This is real. This is realistic. I'm not playing with you. This isn't no big studio production, no. This is just two humans chopping up some bangs. That's all this is, honey boo boo. Ah, slap me in my eyes. Okay, and then I would have this, which I can still cut up later. I'm so nervous. I'm not too nervous though. Like, I have cut my hair before. Like, this, don't expect me to really go crazy here, because I know what I'm doing. I think. Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe I have no idea. Well, that's why I didn't cut it too short, so because I need to fix it. I know how to cut them side swept. This I'm not too sure. I am doing my best though, but I feel like I won't know till I like wash my hair tonight, because I have to wash my hair tonight. Hair in my eye! I feel like I'm just is where I started to begin with. This is just where I was at originally. Did I even do anything? I can't see anything now. This is getting difficult. Hold on.
Oh, what's going on? Oh, it's just me. It's just me, everybody. No worries. So, as you can see, I had to turn the camera off because, bitch, quit making that face. Oh my god. Alright, I'll just ignore you. So anyways, I had to turn the camera off because for some reason I just was getting so nerve-wracked. I just felt like I couldn't do it. You know, kind of like when you're playing Guitar Hero and you're doing really, really well, nobody's in the room, and then somebody walks in, you're like, I'm about to lay this thing down, and then you don't lay it down. You're just missing every note like a 2-year-old's button smashing, and so that's what this was. I had to turn off the films. So these are the bangs, and this is the hair. All I have to do now is wash it and then style it. It looks okay right now. It does definitely need wash though, so we're gonna do that real quick, and then we're gonna check it out for a final look. How did we do? So far, I think it's not too bad actually. I think it came out pretty good. I'm pretty proud. Wow! So now that we've got some clean hair, a fresh canvas, if you will, it's time to go style it. One of the most important tools I'm going to use right now is this styling hairbrush. I got this at Sally's Beauty. Then I will be using this normal flat hairbrush. And then we got this comb right here. This is good too. I cannot pronounce this brand's name, but I've been using this for a couple of months now, and it helps to volumize my hair. Then I've got my handy dandy Revlon blow dryer. This is the most important piece of the whole puzzle right here. What am I looking at? Why do I look so deep in thought? You good? Oh, I'm trying to blow a bubble. So we're gonna spray this product directly onto the roots. So I try to keep it on the top of my head, but you don't want to spray a lot. If I spray too much, it will make my hair look greasy even after I just washed it. Then you're gonna take this comb, and don't use the little end, use the bigger bristles, whatever they're called, I don't know, the bigger side. And you want to run that through your hair and get it all, get it all combed through. Start from the roots and comb down. With our product combed through our hair, it's time to start blow drying it. Uh-oh, sneeze attack. Can we get a bless you down in the comments below? Now I'm just gonna go plug in my straightener, straighten my hair, and now you can see that I have straightened it out, and I'm just brushing my bangs out. I'm gonna try to get them to do that arched, kind of curved. I want them to kind of stick out from my head a little bit, but so far, I don't think it's too bad. It's kind of like Joan Jett and an Amish boy had a love child, and that love child is me. Now I'm just trying to give some volume, some character to my bangs. Like I said, I did want them to kind of be arched out from my head. I don't want them to just hang flat down. And now I'm adding an abundance of hairspray. I'll probably use half this can of hairspray. I love hairspray. Can't live without my hairspray. Here it is after the shower, after I've straightened, hairsprayed, blow dried. But wait, that's not all. Let's take a look at the next day. Welcome to tomorrow. My hair is completely dried. I've styled it a little bit this morning, and I've also touched it up a little bit in some spots. I've done some chipping and chopping away. But this is the next day, and I don't think that it's too bad. I think I did a pretty good job. I think it's very similar to the way I had it cut before when my hair was brown, except the only difference now is my hair is blonde. And I actually like this style on me with blonde hair much better than I did when I had brown hair. Now, what's great about this haircut is if I go like this, I can transform into one of the righteous gemstones, Keef in particularly. Yeah, I said that right, didn't I? Well, I guess that's it, folks. We did it. We've done it. We're there. I've cut my hair. I did it myself. I think I did a good job. Please let me know down below. How do you think? Okay, sorry, I didn't realize I was going to do that. Yes, comment down below your experience and how you think I did today. Now, remember, you were supposed to subscribe if you thought I did a good job and like if you thought I did a bad job. So go ahead and do that right this minute. But you should subscribe anyways because I make new videos every week. Thanks for stopping by. You take care. I'll see you in the next one.